Hey, good Thursday morning, everyone. This was Chris Bailey with Bailey & Associates Real Estate Team, powered by Remerika United Realty. Hey, I'm at a new listing I have today, 6540 Munsell. It's out in Iosco Township. If you're not familiar with Iosco Township, this is out closer to Fowlerville, a little bit past. Does have Howell schools, though, here. It is a 4-bedroom, 3-bathroom ranch with a walkout basement and 2 acres of property. So let me take you around and show you this place. All right, we're going to start out here at the front of the home. So you see we have a good sized front yard. Driveway is here. We do have this little water windmill over here. The backyard is fenced in, guys. Again, this is a 2-acre lot. You can see a little water feature over here. There's the backyard. We do have a little playhouse there for the kids. And back there in the distance, you can see a shed. Again, the home is a walkout. Nice blossoming tree on this beautiful spring day. We do have a 2-car attached garage and a large covered porch here on the front. So let me go inside. I'm gonna wipe my feet before I go in. Nice open floor plan. To your right, we do have our kitchen. Everything in this home is very updated. This is turnkey, ready to go. Nothing needs to be done. Over here, we do have this bedroom, which they have been using for a small exercise room. And then we also have this small bedroom, which they have been using as a home office. Here we have a full bathroom. And then we do have our living room that does have a sliding door that leads out to a upper deck. And we do also have a lower patio. And you can see we have a covered little gazebo area in the backyard as well. So here is the primary bedroom. Ample closet space in this room. We have more closets over here. And I'm just gonna shoot you out the back window here for a second. You can see you got this little covered area here as well. Better view of the shed. And again, be mindful. Backyard's fenced in. So if you have pets and you're worried about them getting out, you don't have to worry about that here. This is the primary bath. Beautiful bathroom. We have some shiplap in here. The design in this home is what I would refer to as country modern. It's very nice. It's very elegant. I would definitely buy this home for myself. So as we go through the kitchen, again, we have granite countertops in here, stainless steel appliances. I'm just going to give you a little spin. We have an eat at island right here, which currently they're not using it, but you can see with the overhang here, you have room for at least 3 stools there. We do have some glass front cabinetry, which looks nice. Little mudroom here with access to it's a 2.5 car garage. This garage is big. Plenty of storage out there. Big open staircase that leads to the lower level, the basement. Again, it is a walkout basement. So down here, to your right, is laundry. Also, we have our utility room in here with our softener, furnace, and water heater. Over here, we have a completely finished basement with a second kitchen, butcher block countertop, I should say. Again, stainless steel appliances, good storage over here. You could use this middle area for dining. We do have another full bathroom down here. Good size full bathroom down here. We do also have another bedroom down here. So this would be a great area for guests. They have their own bathroom, have their own little kitchen. We also have this little area here. Another little family room area for entertaining. And then outside, again, we do have some beautiful landscaping, well-maintained yard. Again, we do have this nice little water feature here. So this will be coming on the market today. It already is, actually. And we will be doing an open house on this home this Sunday from 4 to 6 p.m. If you have any questions or would like to schedule a private showing, please feel free to contact me. Again, Chris Bailey at Bailey Associates Real Estate Team. You can reach me at 248-518-0809. Again, that's 248-518-0809. Thank you. Have a great day. Bye.